In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to slowly fade in audio, which means gradually increasing the volume from 0 to normal level instead of starting abruptly. A fade in is commonly used for background music, intros, and voiceovers to create a smooth and professional sound. Let's begin. First, go to your timeline and locate the audio clip you want to fade in. Make sure you can clearly see the audio waveform. If needed, increase the height of the audio track so it's easier to work with. Now look at the beginning of the audio clip. You'll see a small square fade handle at the top corner of the clip. Click on that handle and drag it toward the right. As you drag, you'll notice a small fade curve appear inside the audio clip. The longer you drag, the slower and smoother the fade in will be. See, if you drag it only a short distance, the fade will be quicker. You can adjust it anytime by dragging the handle again. This method creates a smooth volume increase without needing to manually add keyframes. And that's it. You now know how to slowly fade in audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.